Ready in 5 seconds.
Hi, I'm Amaya Han.
Hi, I'm Ashley. We are the producers of Pinikas. Ang Pinikas ay tungkol kay Maria, isang dalaga na taga Southern Leyte ng taon ng 2006. Karamihan sa mga kabataan sa buong Pilipinas ay nangangarap ng makapag-aral ng kolehiyo. Pero dahil siya ay hirap, kailangan niyang pag-stop muna at tumulong sa magulang. Balit yung pagkakataong ito, may namit siyang mangingisda na si Mulo. And nagkaroon siya ng pangarap sa ibang bagay.
If you want to get rich, be a bitch.
The stories originated from Southern Leyte. The local stories, the stories from the families, and the stories from the radio dramas that they hear at the time in Southern Leyte. Our director, Chris Fuego, started writing stories on his own, fictionalizing radio dramas mixed with the realities that he observes in the local scene. And the reason why it was set in 2006 was because it was so specific at the time when people are into online dating, where the surge of computer shops was so prominent as compared to now. That's why it's so vital that we had to set it in 2006.
I love this place. It's so serene.
The film sending the message of about love, personal life ko or yung family ko. Kumbaga na-stuck siya in between ba. At the end of the day, family pa rin niya yung pinili niya. So, yun yung kumbaga parang sinisend na message ng
We are inviting you to watch Pinikas and all the entries of Sinag Maynila 2026.
Iniimbita namin po kayong lahat, lalo na yung mga Bisaya natin na kababayan dito nasa Maynila, makaka-relate talaga kayo dito. Kasi sabay tayong tatawa, iiyak, napakagandang pelikula.